Hi sewing lovers. Let's convert old dress into new design. I'm also doing resizing at same time, as this is my mother's dress and I am turning this into my daughter's. A best sewing project even beginners can follow easily. Don't forget to subscribe. If you are absolute beginner, please check my free dressmaking course, specially designed for beginners, and learn step-by-step dressmaking. From body measurements to pattern making, cutting and stitching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorial. Let me introduce myself. I am your sewing instructor Sarah. I have 3 years of diploma and 11+ years of teaching experience of these skills. Pattern making and sewing is something that I am teaching to my students from different nationalities. I believe that everyone can learn to sew. That's why I always provide one-to-one lessons, so one can learn on their own pace.